Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today we are going to be using the new James Charles X Morphe X James Charles palette. I picked this up yesterday and I did a poll on Instagram to see if you guys want to, you know, have me do a tutorial using this, and majority of you guys said yes. So the palette looks like this. You guys have seen it all. I'm not even gonna do all of that. This is the box, this is the palette, but this is what it looks like. It has a little cover with all the names on them. Before we get started, so when I was at Ulta, the lady told me you should go ahead and pick up the eyeshadow primer because it works best with the primer. And I'm like, yeah, no, I'm good. I have a primer at home that I'm gonna go ahead and use. I just kind of feel like, why are you making an eyeshadow palette that is only compatible with your eye primer? Like, all your other shadows work with other primers. Like, why do I have to buy a primer to make one palette work? So I'm gonna go ahead and use my P.louise base for these eyeshadows. If this eye makeup goes up in flames, well then I should have listened to the girl at Ulta. But until then, we gonna do what we gonna do today, and that's use the P.louise base. On that note, I'm gonna go ahead and prime with my P.louise base, Rumour 2. Okay, primer is on. So I was considering doing like a green eye look because in my last video I had that green eye look and you guys, some of you guys actually liked it. I personally thought that look was atrocious, but you know what? I already put it on and I need to go ahead and film that video, so I was like, I'm just gonna roll with it. So I was like, you know what? I really don't want to redo that look because I really didn't like it. But I was like, you know what? I should do a green eye for them. I should. But now that I'm looking at this palette, I don't want to do that. The greens in here aren't really that many. I kind of want to do like a purple, play with the pinks. Look y'all. Like, I want to play with that color. But then I want to play with like this color and that one. And then I kind of want to play with this one too. Decisions, what do I want to do? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do a green eye just because, you know what, of my last video, I'm gonna do a green eye. And I've never done green eyeshadow on my channel. Have I? No, I have not. I have never done green eyeshadow on my channel, so this one's for real. All right, we're gonna go with the first shade right here called Punch Me. Why did he name that shade that? Yeah, it's called Punch Me. So there's Kickback. So I really hope this palette works because, you know. So I think I'm gonna use next the shade called Code James, which is this big one dead smack in the middle. Drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop. I don't know. I kind of want to jump into this green shade right here called Social Blade. And honestly, I don't know how this look is going to turn out. I honestly don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just rolling with the punches. I don't think I like this color. So next, I'm gonna take the shade called Daddy, which is this green right here. Okay, I like how big this palette is, you know, like, cause I just feel like an artist. Like, I just feel like Picasso, like, but to fit it into this frame is starting to irritate me. And we're just gonna put this in the outer V. Come a little bit closer. So I'm taking this other blending brush by Sephora, and I'm just going to blend the edges out right now. Or you know what? I'm just gonna take this Sephora brush and I'm just gonna go ahead and put this Like, I'm bringing this into my outer V and I'm gonna cut my crease. That's what we're gonna do. And then I'll go back into that shade called Social Blade, the lime green color, with the first crease brush that I was using it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and like, blend out this top part. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease, and I'm gonna use the P.louise base. Next, I'm gonna take the shade called Guac, which is this green right here. And I might have to dip into another palette because I really want this crease to be a little bit deeper, but it'll be another Morphe palette. Ooh, this is a pretty color, y'all. It's pretty. It's not what I expected, but it's pretty. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start cleaning this whole look up. So I'm gonna start with the top part of here, and I'm gonna be blending this so that it kind of looks better. And then next, I'm gonna go into the 39A palette, the Dare to Create. And I'm gonna take the shade, right here. This is called Pine. We're gonna put that in our outer V. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, to hell with that. That's not working. Like, I need a deeper color to go in my crease, and that green is just not working. So I'm just gonna take the black shade in the James Charles palette, and it is called Spooky. Y'all, look at... Okay. This eye, no bueno. And I don't think it's the eyeshadows. I think it's honestly it's me, because this eye looks fine. Like, I don't know. Either way it goes, I'm tired of doing that. So right now I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna put on a wing liner, because listen, if you ever do an eye look and it's like a little funky, get you some wing liner. But if you're not good at wing liner, then just leave that alone. If you're not good at wing liner, get you some lashes. But I'm gonna do both with this look to kind of cover some stuff up. So anyways, for liner today, I'm gonna be using the ABH Gel Liner to do my wing, and then I wanna use the Flutter lashes in the style Intoxicating. So I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna put that on, and then I'm gonna come back and see how this looks. Okay, you guys, so this is the look with liner and lashes. To be quite honest, I'm really not feeling it. I'm really not. Like, I am, but I'm not. I don't know. But I do want to take this Stila Shimmer and Glow shadow. This is in the shade called La Douce. And I want to put this on my lid. Y'all, I'm making a breakfast sandwich. I posted this breakfast sandwich on IG yesterday, and y'all, it's so good. So if you hear like frying, it's frying. Like, I'm watching it, like, obviously, you know, but oh my gosh, this just made everything look better. So I think honestly, like, this green shade, honestly, it is a pretty color, but it's so dull looking at the same time. Like, it was just making this eye look really muted and like not vibrant. Oh my gosh, you guys, this looks so much better. Ah, I was like, I think I've given up all faith and hope. Okay, I'm gonna be back, y'all. I need to go check on my food that I'm cooking. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back to show you guys a final look and give you my thoughts on the palette. Okay, you guys, so I forgot to, like, I already started doing the bottom and I completely forgot, but let me show you guys what I did use on my bottom lash. So I went back into the 39A palette and I took this shade and I just smudged it all under my lash line, and then I just took a black as well and like just really got it close up. I'm gonna take the Espresso Lip Liner and line my lip. I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Lipstick in the shade Up to No Good. This is cute, y'all. And I kind of want to keep this color, so I'm going to take the Maybelline Shine Shot Gloss. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? I like it. I just like the way I did my skin, you guys. Like, my skin looks so pretty, y'all. Anyway, so let's go ahead and talk about this palette. So, this palette is $38? I don't know, it's some price. It's 30 something, it's in the high 30s. Is it my favorite palette? No. In general, Morphe eyeshadows are not my favorite. I just buy them because they're inexpensive and, well, I mean, they're inexpensive. Like, it's a good deal. So, would I recommend this palette? I mean, why not? If you're a James Charles supporter, or if you're not and you're looking for a palette with a multitude and an array of colors, this will be a good bet for you. Just keep in mind, Morphe eyeshadows are not the best. They have some hits and some misses. There's some shadows that are like, oh, okay, this works really well for it to be priced here. And then it's like, yeah, this quality is not the best. So when I see people complaining about Morphe, I'm like, what do you expect when you're paying so little for eyeshadows? Like, come on now, you know? But overall, I really do like the palette. I will keep it. Oh, I almost forgot. You guys, so I was able to do this look. This is the eyeshadow, right? And I didn't have to use the Morphe primer. So the P.louise base worked for me. And I went ahead and cut my crease, and it was tacky still, and I placed that shimmer and it worked. So don't be tricked or manipulated by anybody at these Morphe stores, Ulta stores to buy that $10 primer, okay? No, I don't want your primer. I need the shadows to work with what I already have at home. But yeah, so if you're not following me on Instagram and Snapchat, make sure you go ahead and do that. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Leave a comment letting me know if you're gonna pick up this palette, or you know, just let me know what you guys got going on. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.